Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to enable PHP extension on cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to enable or disable PHP extensions from cPanel. The following article will assist you to enable or disable PHP extensions. The first step is to log in to cPanel. After you log into your cPanel account, then the second step is locate, select PHP version and click on it. As you can see guys right here in the picture, this is how it looks like. So right here you're going to find select PHP version next to notices in the right side. After that, we're gonna go to the third step, which is choose your desired PHP version and click on Set as Current. So as you can see, guys, right here in the picture, we're gonna find current PHP version. Here you're gonna find the current version. You can click right here and change the version that you want. And then once you do that, you can click on Set as Current right here. The next step is to set the PHP extension. Click on Switch to PHP settings. As you can see, guys, right here in the picture, in the right side, in the top right corner, you're gonna find Switch to PHP extension. Go ahead and click on it, and after that, go to the bottom and click on Save. After you do that, then you're gonna be good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.